In a quiet village near a dense forest, a kind-hearted Moor discovered an injured snake near the riverbank. Instead of fear, he felt compassion and carefully nursed the snake back to health. Grateful, the snake stayed by his side, slithering beside him as he worked in the fields. The villagers were astonished by their unusual friendship, watching as the snake protected the Moor from pests and dangers. Over time, their bond grew stronger, built on trust and kindness. As seasons changed, they remained inseparable, proving that true